Okay, when setting up your quick connect fittings, just a couple of little pointers here. When you're cutting your hose, make sure you use your hose cutter. This would have come in your kit. If not, it's easy to get one. But what it is a very, very sharp blade. And it just allows you to put the pipe in and cut it really nice and straight and clean. If you cut it at an angle, you're not going to get a clean seating inside the pipe, and it can leak. Another thing is, when you do use this, you need to use it at a turning motion. If you press, it's quite possible to crush the pipe and again put it out of shape. So all you need to do is put it in the seat here. As you do get the blade to insert, give the pipe a turn. So you want to turn the pipe, and it will slice it really nice and flush. You'll have a nice straight cut, a nice solid cut. It won't be crushed. And that way, when you do put it inside the fitting, because there is 2 rubber grommets inside here, you've got one just as you press it in, you'll feel it. And the second one is right up against this bulkhead here. And that's a nice rubber seating that will press the hose straight up against it. Now, when you do go in, there's, as I said, there are 2 positions, and some people push it into the first one and they find it might leak. So you need to push past that first one and then into the second one where it will seat properly. So the first one goes in and you'll feel it stop. That's the first grommet. But when you do keep pushing through, you'll feel it go through to the second one. And then your little secure clip will kind of go in as well. You can give it a nice twist to push it, but you will feel it go right up and hit that bulkhead, and that's what you're looking for. A nice, good, solid seating there, and that won't leak. Good fittings, they work well, good hose, and you shouldn't have any problems with those.